In the AFRICOM Area of Responsibility this week, the largest turnout of African partner nations is assembling for the annual African Air Chief Symposium, with representatives from 17 nations in attendance. In Cameroon, topics of discussion will cover air security and surveillance, air contributions to counter violent extremist organizations, and airlift support for peacekeeping operations. On hand from the United States is Heidi Grant, Deputy Undersecretary to the Air Force, as well as the Commander of U.S. Air Forces Africa, General Frank Gornick. According to the General, in this room, there is a community of airmen with tremendous amount of diverse experience in peacekeeping and counterterrorism. We can leverage that experience and develop a way ahead that increases all our security. To read more about this story, visit our website at africom.mil. From the AFRICOM newsroom in Stuttgart, Germany, thanks for watching.